It's a good thing that I double bagged this because she's a full one.
Hello beautiful butterflies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you don't know me, and thank you so much for checking out part 2 of this mini series where I tackle my new beauty room space. I take apart everything, declutter everything, reorganize, and ultimately transform it into my ideal organized beauty space while saving money. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will wait so that you can do that now because it's free, but please subscribe. So essentially, if you haven't seen my part 1, my last video where I started this whole little transformation, stop, pause, go watch that video. I will leave it in the description box down below, and then come back to this one so you can see the full transformation in all of its beautiful glory. There is lots of very satisfying footage, and I'm really happy with how everything came together. So if you like saving money, you like organization, DIYs, this video and series is for you. So without further ado, I will stop blabbing and let us go right back into part 2 of this makeover. So I have, to say the least, a lot of makeup, and I want to try and pare it down in terms of how long things are good for, especially all those lip products in there. So many of those are like 3 years old and they need to go in the garbage because 2 years is the max. So I'm just gonna go through everything and go and throw out everything in the garbage can and see what I'm left with to put away. So as you can see, this is full of makeup that is just too old for me to wear on myself or clients. That all needs to go in the garbage. So much stuff. I need to stop spending money on makeup, like seriously. I'm going to put away some of my drawers that don't require a lot of brain capacity to do. So I'm going to lay out the camera a little differently. I'm going to do it like this, and I'm going to put away all my makeup. So I also just got rid of so much makeup, so a lot of this stuff is going to look pretty bare, but I don't really care because I'm just happy that it'll be nicely organized, you know? Wait for me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have
yesterday or maybe two since I last saw you, but now I won't come back around if you're not trying.
The next day.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight.
3 weeks later.
I think I have finally finished my beauty dresser reorganization and thought I would give you guys kind of a final reveal, and I'm really happy and super excited with how it turned out. Again, I know that the aesthetics of it might not look perfect and 100% to how everyone likes. However, the really nice quality, nice looking organizers that you can get for these dressers are about $400 Australian.
Girl, that's expensive. I'm like shocked about that.
Not including customs and shipping, so I didn't want to spend that much money on stuff you can't see, so I spent $40 on Amazon instead. So I will link in the description box below the drawer organizers I got. But let's go ahead and reveal this to you. So this top drawer is my eye palettes. So I have my really big palettes that don't fit in any other drawers. And then I just have like a bunch of glitter and stuff in there and then some makeup bags. So it's not necessarily the most neat looking, but it's practical. And then this next drawer here is setting sprays, so I also have my makeup brush cleaners and stuff in here too. Again, it's just what makes the most sense for me, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. This next drawer here is more skincare, so I have more backup skincare products and masks and all of that good stuff in here. Some sunscreens stacked back there and just tons of goodies, so very, very happy with how this is all organized. And this next drawer here is all of my strip lashes. So this is how I have all of my lashes organized right now. Kind of organized chaos in the back right here, but it's working for me. And this next drawer here is all of my eye and brow products. I got rid of quite a bit, so this drawer and my lips drawer are pretty sparse. I kind of am now looking back, I'm like, did I get rid of too much? But
no regrets.
You have no regrets?
Dad?
No? Like not even a single letter?
No way. Not me.
so like I said, this drawer is super sparse. So this is just all of my lip products that I have right now, and then I have my backup beauty blenders and little bits and bobs in the back there to fill up that extra space. But I'm super happy with all these organizers. This is such an inexpensive way for me to organize all of my stuff and to really make good use of all of this space. So this next one is eye makeup. So I have a bunch of smaller palettes and stuff that fit more upright in this little IKEA organizer. And then I have this little drawer back here with a bunch of little samples, a bunch of my beauty blenders all stored in my glam pods, and just another little thing with smaller eyeshadows and stuff in here. So again, it doesn't necessarily look the prettiest, but it's super practical and functional for me. And this next one is face makeup. This drawer was very interesting to try and like figure out and configure and put together with all those little separators, because you have to manually do all of them to try. So I tried to, it was interesting to figure out how to make the best use of space, because I even managed to fit palettes all the way back here that I can still grab, because I really just wanted to make it the most effective use of space as I could. So I really went all out in putting stuff in here. So yeah, I am very happy with how this is all organized too and how it came together. And last but not least, I have all of my disposables in tint, and this is just for a little makeup look idea I had. So that is how I organized everything in my beauty dresser. I'm really happy with how that turned out. And then I've just been compiling all of my product empties in this bin on this side. I thought I would show you beautiful butterflies as well. This little copper tray goes in a shelf in our bathroom, and this has my everyday skincare essentials. So that completes my mini beauty room transformation series. Thank you, beautiful butterflies, so much for watching. It means the world to me. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that other amazing people can see this video too. Also check me out on Instagram, where I post a lot more frequently on there. And I know I've been getting so many requests on my various different updos that I do with my hair claw clips and various easy lazy hairstyles. So stay tuned for that coming soon, along with a very exciting giveaway. So yeah, thank you, beautiful butterflies, so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next one. I love you all so much. Thank you for your support, and I'll talk to you later.